Can someone else in your area help you with your microstrand technology hair process? Yes. If you're attaching it yourself with the comb locks, it's easy. We actually have thousands of clients that are long distance that apply it themselves. Okay? So it's definitely easy. But if you feel you need help or you want somebody else to do it in your area, and we're not in your area, let's say, then you could have a friend, a relative, or any hairstylist do it. And if you choose so, we will be there to help them. We'll send them the comb lock attachment video for you, and we'll walk them through any help that they need. And also, anyone in your area, any stylist in your area, if they want to learn how to offer the microstrand technology, just so you know, we can teach them how to offer it. So we can make it available to anyone internationally if that's a help to you or if you want to spread the good word.